Today, I'm showing you guys how to set up the inbound voice AI line for GoHighLevel. This is gonna make sure that whenever a call comes into your business, that it always gets answered and that you are able to book those appointments, keeping them from calling the next person in line on Google when they're finding your local business for whatever you need, or this, but obviously this applies to any type of business. So we're gonna show you how to set it up in 10 minutes. If you already have GoHighLevel, you can use this easily. And if you don't have it, you can sign up for a trial through my link, which will let you get our snapshot of automations, our setup guide, and then access to everything else that comes with what we do. So if you're interested in that, join the community through the bio and come to the Step 1 webinar. We've also got a Masterclass coming out with GoHighLevel on the 20th. So look up Supercharged AI Employee. That's gonna take this standard setup I'm gonna show you here and upgrade it so that it actually has the memory of anything that happens in a conversation with the text AI. So that's the conversational AI. It covers SMS, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. And so you can have that memory unified with the memory of the voice AI following the additional setup I give you in that video. Anyone that signs up through that link or this link is gonna get all the same resources, including another GPT that we use to generate the voice AI prompt or the conversational AI prompt from your website or even a document if you've got one. So I'm gonna run through the setup real quick here. Make sure you subscribe for future updates, and you can also follow me on the same handle on Instagram, Rob's Gone MIA, and see me inside the community. Thanks. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is click the link to the snapshot. It's gonna ask if you wanna upload it to the agency, hit import. Then you're gonna go to account snapshots right here from the main agency menu, and you're gonna click manage client on the right sub account. Once you're in here, you're ready to load the snapshot into your sub account. And this is gonna have the workflows that we're gonna make. You can always watch this video and make them yourself just from seeing it. The workflows that we have make it easier. It's gonna import the custom fields and that are required for the workflows that we're importing to work. So together, the custom fields, values, and workflows let this stuff happen. And what we're gonna do is basically pull the conversation transcript out of the notes section, which is, in my opinion, a problem. So basically it just loads it into the notes, which keeps you from being able to use it because that's not a field that you can search. And so when the notes first imported, I have it saved into a custom field at the time the note is added. And what that lets you do is have GPT access it. And that's useful for a lot of different things, and we use it for a couple things in this example. So that's what it does. It lets you access that conversation history to use it in a lot of cool ways. So we take the snapshot, we load it in. You're gonna go right here, load snapshot. You're gonna click it. It's gonna be called inbound voice AI setup. And then once you load it, you're just gonna go through the process of uploading it, and it's gonna make sure it's not gonna cause any issues, but it won't. You're not gonna have any of the same fields. And so now we go to the sub account. And you're gonna go to settings, voice AI agents, and we're gonna make our first agent. Create agent. And guys, I've got some really cool hacks that upgrade it. I basically show you how to use that data to make the voice AI aware of the things that were said in the conversational AI, which is the text-based over SMS, WhatsApp, email, Facebook, Instagram, and the voice AI aware, and the text AI aware of the voice AI. So it's helping them share a memory. So I'll show you how to take that and turn it into a memory bank, and there's other things we're gonna bring besides just the transcript. So that's on my masterclass, which airs on the 20th. Just look up the high-level masterclass for Supercharged AI Employee. And we're gonna call this agent James Bond. And if the snapshot name is not the business name, you're gonna wanna make sure you fix that. Next. And then we are gonna use advanced mode. So here you can add in additional questions into the prompt, and we give you guys a GPT that you can use to create that. It'll be in the resources that you're sent when you get the snapshot. We've got a GPT to create prompts. We've got a GPT to create copy for outbound campaigns that you can use to do AI texting. So we're going to head back into the builder, and let's assume you'd created a prompt. What you're going to do is set up two things. You're going to need to turn on the workflow first, actually. So let me duplicate this and go back to the workflow. All right, let's head over to, come on now, oh yeah. Automation. And this is the folder that you're gonna see. It's gonna have the workflows you need. You're gonna have, even if it's not in those folders, you're gonna have these two workflows, which are the ones pertaining to voice AI. We're gonna go to the calendar request, and we're gonna make sure that it's got our calendar link. So you want to replace this with whatever message you want to send, including your calendar link. It can be helpful to use trigger links too to identify what channel they're using. But we'll have a video on trigger links later. And then now we're going to go to AI call summary. You need to make sure they're both on. So you want to turn that to publish. And in this one, you can just customize the email that goes out to your clients. This is how we're gonna use this summary that we're grabbing from keeping it, we can't send a note, but we can send this summary. And so this workflow is triggered by the note. So as soon as it's added, we're gonna pull that to a field, because only in this one process, with the note being added right here, can you drop the note into the field. And so now that it's dropped, we're gonna send out an email to the client. We're gonna put a notification in the conversation view that the call happened. And that way they can handle it, and your team can just clear this at the end of the day. My recommendation is have the business owner have a team member mark every conversation read, report issues, and that's how they make sure they're handling their clients. So those are both on. We're ready to finish up this build. Advanced mode lets us trigger a workflow, and we're going to choose calendar request. And we've got some screenshots here that are going to help you fill this out. So, let me get a screenshot of that. I'll just show you how it's filled out in the one we already have built. All right. So you're going to fill it out just like this. And I'll make sure this is in the document for you guys too. Send a calendar link. Calendar. And you're telling the bot to say, I've just sent a booking link, and then it'll disconnect if that's the end of the call. Update the contact field. We're going to add a couple different fields. So we're going to add name. We're giving the instructions, exact name. We want to update that field, and we want it to update with the first name of the caller. And these kinds of things matter. But we've still got more to update. Email address of the caller. Boom, boom, boom. It's good to give the examples. Call summary, inbound voice AI logs. And then we're going to tell it to put a transcript of the call into the notes. And then we're going to do call completion, voice AI status. When the call is completed, turn this to say inbound call done. And this is going to allow us to trigger some of the other things that are going to happen. All right, and that's it. So now you're ready to do a test. Oh, I actually need to fill this out. Trigger workflow. Oh, that's from what we already set up. I like to set this to go out to the user. So when you put your whatever rep is going to handle that, if it's not the contact assigned user. And the last thing to do is pick a number and test the call. So pick a phone number. If you don't have one, you can actually buy it right there. And then Of course, we want our agent to work 24/7. And so then you're going to type your number in here. Six, two, one, 7, 4, 5, 8. Gotta do +1. Hello. Hello.
Hey, you have reached Mass Market AI. How can I help you today?
Hey, I was hoping you could help me schedule an appointment to talk with somebody about your services.
Sure thing. I'll send you a calendar link right away so you can book an appointment. One moment, please. I have just sent a text with the booking link. I've sent you a link to schedule an appointment. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Can you tell me a little bit about your services?
I can have a team member reach out to you with all the details about our services. Could I get your name and email address so they can contact you?
Yeah, it's Rob Eason, EASON, and ROB@EASON.org.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is ROBEASON, and your email address is rob@eason.org. Is that correct?
That's right.
Great. A team member will reach out to you soon with more information about our services. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Rob. Have a fantastic day.
You too. Bye. All right, pretty dang good for a 5-minute setup, and that's the beauty of it. You can get in there and set this up and be ready to help a client already have a benefit in such little work. It gives you the leverage you need to be able to get into the conversation of starting the deal with them. And then, of course, you can always upsell other features, which is the beauty of GoHighLevel. All right, see you guys next time. Oh, make sure to subscribe and then tune in on the 20th, or go check that video out if it's already out, to see how to turn this AI employee into one that's aware omnichannel, has omnichannel awareness. So excited to show you guys that then.